Hi everyone, so today I have this cute set to share with you. It's Dye & Press's new, it says Treat Bag Spooky Sweets, or Spooky Sweets Treat Bag that they brought to HSN. It's basically an all-in-one kit for like little goodie bags. So they did send this item free of charge from my review, and of course all opinions are my own, and any links I have in the description box will be affiliate links, which means I'll make a small commission if you purchase items to those links. So thanks for using those if you would like. Oh my goodness. These are a good size. I did not expect that. That's awesome. So let me open this up. I thought honestly that they're going to be like little small treat bags, but this is way better. So we can fit lots of goodies in there. So let's look at the bags themselves. Well, okay, let's start with this. So what it has is glassine bags, which are really nice. They feel fancy, and I love glassine types of things. So we have all these like labeled or tagged kind of die cut pieces. We have bats and little ghosts and jack-o'-lanterns, and so there's 88 die cuts, and they all have, well, I don't know, they all have like a holographic foil to them. 47 by 5 inch bags. That's really cool. So 20 and 20 of each. 20 and 20 of each. 30 yards of baker's twine, 5 yards of each color, 9 stamps, and 40 rhinestones. So this is kind of thing you can do. So today's video I think is going to be pretty quick. I mean, I just have a feeling it's going to be very easy to work with. Now, as you look at this, you can also put these things on a card. You know, these exact same things, exact same kind of maybe little collage look, and it'll be really great. So maybe use the bags for something else. Even the stamp set, oh my gosh, everything is much bigger than I had thought. Okay, so we have the bags, and I'll bring those out in just a minute. I love the stripe, really, really fun. Oh my gosh, how cute. Okay. I should put those over here. Baker's twine, and just such Halloween colors that really coordinate back to the kit itself. I mean, even this like little kind of teal, light blue, you can see the jack-o'-lanterns there. I'll show you in just a minute. Purple, gray, lime green, orange, and black and white. I love that Dye & Press really coordinates those kinds of things, because sometimes you'll get kits from other places and it's like, why is this here? Like, it doesn't go with anything, you know? So I really appreciate their eye for detail on that always. And then we have, look at the little bats. Oh my gosh. And these are a good size. I'll put them on my mat here so you can kind of have an idea. So like 3 by maybe an inch or a little over an inch. And then we have the cute little ghosts. Oh my goodness. I believe they're all facing the same way. Let's see. Maybe not. Oh, okay. We have, yeah, so they face opposite ways. That's really, really cute. Oh, that's sweet, because, you know, we like this kind of thing if you put it on something or a card or whatever. And they're little holographic faces. Again, it's like a silver hollow. And then look at the jack-o'-lanterns, you guys. Oh my gosh. So cute. Look at this guy's expression. It looks like there's 2 of each of these guys. Love that hollow. That is really just a really fun pop. Look at their little faces. Oh my gosh. And these guys are a good size. I mean, that one's like 3 by 2. Maybe you can tell by the ghosties here. Kind of their sizing also kind of like in a 3 by 2 grid. Look at that. Oh my gosh. So cute. Okay, and then these guys are big sizable. I mean, this is going to be fun for all kinds of cards just in the background. I know they have like a little skeleton, no bones about it, I think it's what it's called. Stamp and die set, and I think it'll be really cute to put those guys on top of this. So we have, it's like 4 and a third by 3 inches. So I mean, definitely on a card topper that'd be really, really cool. So we have the orange, we have like it's dark gray, kind of a deeper limey green, we have like a light robin's egg kind of blue, the purple, orange again, and then I think it starts repeating. I want to see if they're, okay, that's what I thought. They have slightly different shapes. So we have these guys, and then over here we have these guys that have a pointy bottom, where these are kind of like rounded. And again, similar thing, but I don't know if you see on these where this all has like a cream colored center. These all have like fun mix and match colors. I love that. Oh my gosh, this one does have a creamy colored center, or a gray, I guess. This one, the other ones have some funness, and then we're back to this rounded, and I guess that's kind of, oh, it's a different shape. So this one's notched and rounded at the bottom, where this one's just rounded. And then this one right here was pointy. So cute. Oh my gosh. Okay, and then rhinestones. So the stones go from larger to like a medium size to a little bit smaller, and they're all mixed up in colors, but there's like purples and oranges and green and blue and then clear, and then it goes back to purple, orange, greenish color, clear and blue, or blue and clear, and then again, the smallest ones don't have a clear. So cute. And then this stamp set, let me see. I can best show you that. Really nice, sizable sentiments there. Thank you for all you boo. Trick or treat, to and from, happy Halloween, open if you dare. Graveyard goodies, you are spooktacular, spooky sweets. So what I'm gonna do is just grab some ink and we'll just start putting some stuff together. So I'll just grab one of these guys and let's go ahead and put it in a stamp position just in case I don't want to eyeball it and then maybe hit or not hit every area. That would not be great, so I'm gonna put that there. Keep using the same pieces of tape I've been using. And let's go. Open if you dare, that'll be fun. And there we go. Put that down there. And I just have some black ink, so let's go with that. Yeah, this is the first time using this stamp. They are acrylic stamps. Just load it up and push that down, but not too hard. Nice firm pressure. Perfect. Oh my gosh, how cute is that? Okay, let me clean up my ink and stuff and I'll be right back. Okay, so from here, I mean, just a matter of a few little decorations. Let's do a color. Cute. Alright, so let's put this guy here. Kind of this, stick it up a little bit. And this guy can be up here like this. Okay. So a dimensional. These are just from my stash here, some dimensionals. And then this guy I want to glue down basically on one side but not the other. So this little arm is up, or wing. Kind of something like that. So I'm going to hold that down for a second and then we'll take the carriers off of this and we'll stick it on this other side. Take the carriers off of this, but what I'm going to do is get one of the bags. I'm going to take the black and white one so it contrasts really nice with this orange. And these are so cute. You guys, you can definitely make like a mini album from these. That'd be really fun. Oh my gosh. Okay, so if we had our treat, this is one thing with glassine bags, I never know, like if you fold it this way or this way, but then you have this line here, you fold it back on itself, I mean whatever it is that you want. I guess I'm going to fold it this way, and just like that. And the reason I'm doing that is because I'm going to bring this over here and I'm going to punch through these guys so I can put twine in there. So I'm going to use my crocodile here and just bring it to the top. It doesn't have to be at the very top, it can be whatever you want. But I'm going to put a hole here and another one kind of about the same distance in from the end. Like that. Just have it ready. Of course you're going to fill this in with some goodies. Oh, of course I stuck this to the back. No, that's not where we want that. So open if you dare. There, there. And it goes, you know, we can go for a little more. Let's put some rhinestones if we would like on here. And I'm sorry guys, I'm always checking to see about the die and press tacky tool, if it's in stock or not, because I get questions about it all the time, and I don't believe it's in stock right now, at least as I'm recording, but if it does come in stock, I will put it on there. Sometimes it's on HSN, sometimes it's on die and press's site, so, you know, I'll just pop it in there. Let's see, what would we want to do? Maybe one of these guys. And couple of small ones. cute. I mean, we can put some more down here too if you would like, but I think I'm going to do it just like that. And we have this. And this, let me open up the twine and I'll be right back. I'm also going to go with that light kind of teal color. We'll find the end of this cutie. Oh, there it is. And I'm just going to cut some off. Maybe about a foot. Front. And I use the smallest little punch, so I mean if you want to use the larger side you can definitely do that. There. So what I'll probably do is make a card real quick with a little music. It's going to be very similar to what I just did here, but on a card base. You can see how you can use those for that. And I mean, super easy, super cute. Of course, you'll have all your little treats in there. And I would just leave it like that. But thank you so much, Diane Press, for sending these items for review. Thanks for watching, guys. I'll have the images come up. I'll have the links as appropriate as they are available. I always update the links. If it's not available quite yet, it will be, and I'll have the link there for you guys, okay? So I don't know, as I record, early, so I can have these guys for you. So thanks for watching. Super cute. I love the holographic nature. Everything feels really nice, like nice and sturdy and just high quality. So thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you all at the next one. Bye now.